Welcome to Programmer Bytes. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about Java class and objects with an example program. Class. A Java class has properties and methods. Properties defines the state of an object and methods defines the behavior of an object. Object. An object is an instance of a class. We can create any number of objects for same class. Each object has its own state and behavior. New operator. New operator is used to create an object for a class. It dynamically allocates memory for an object. Example. Driver is a class which has properties like name, height, weight. Driver is an object created for driver class using the new operator. Here, driver starts with capital D is the class. Driver starts with small d is an object, and we used new operator to create the driver object for driver class. We can write driver. It is a reference. Here driver points to null. We can write driver equal to new driver. Here driver object is created using new operator, and this driver object points to driver class. Assigning object reference to variables. Java allows us to assign an object to another reference variable. Example. We created the driver1 object for driver class using new operator. Now driver1 points to driver class. We are going to assign this driver1 object to driver2 reference variable so that both driver1 and driver2 has same set of state and behavior. Here driver is the class, driver1 is the object, driver2 is the reference variable, driver1 object is assigned to driver2 reference variable. Let's take an example. Driver is a class which has properties like name, height, weight. Driver class has setter methods to set the properties. Set name sets the name property. It takes a single string parameter as an input and sets the input string parameter to the name property. This method returns nothing. So we declared the return type as void. Similarly, there are methods to set the other properties like height, weight. Driver class has getter methods to get the property values. Get name is used to get the value of name. This method returns a string value. So we declared the return type as string. Similarly, there are methods to get the other property values like height and weight. Driver class also has a method which returns the driver details like name, height and weight as a string. So the return type for this method is declared as string. /n. We used /n as it is used to print the sentence in the next line in the console. So driver is a class which has properties and behaviors. Now we have a main class called driver main, in which we are going to create objects for driver class and hence invoke the state and behavior of driver class using the objects. When we run this program, compiler looks for a main method and starts running the program from the main method. So we need to create objects inside the main method. Driver1 is an object created using new operator for driver class. We used the setter methods to set the properties for driver1. Name has set to driver1, height has set to 6, weight has set to 76. Similarly, we created another object driver 2 which has its own state or behavior, and we use the setter methods to set the properties for driver 2. We use the get driver details to get the properties of driver 1 and properties of driver 2. Get driver details returns a string which is a combination of driver's name, height, weight as a single string. Now we created a reference variable called driver3 for driver class and assigned the driver1 object to driver3 reference so that both driver1 and driver3 has same set of state and behavior. Let's run this program. Note, driver 1 has his own properties like name, height, weight. Driver 2 has his own properties like name, height and weight. Driver 3 has properties equals to driver 1 object since driver 1 object is assigned to driver 3 reference variable. So we created an object using new operator and we assigned an object to a reference variable. Each and every object has their own properties and behavior. Thank you.